Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff, and as you guys saw earlier this week, I unboxed a brand new Realme X2 Pro that just launched in India. The X2 Pro has gotten people pretty excited since it's a flagship level smartphone with quad cameras and a Snapdragon 855 Plus and many more other premium features at a surprisingly approachable price tag. While the regular Realme X2 Pro is a pretty sweet looking phone, I got the even more awesome Realme X2 Pro Master Edition in from China in the cement or concrete version, depending on what you want to call it. As you probably already know, the Master Edition of the Realme X2 Pro comes in a cement or concrete version, but it also comes in a red brick version that hasn't been on sale yet. But honestly, I wasn't a huge fan of how that looked, so I'm pretty happy to get this version instead. And yeah, here's a quick look at the concrete or cement version of the Realme X2 Pro Master Edition. Alright, in case you haven't heard about it before, the Realme X2 Pro Master Edition is designed by famous Japanese designer Naoto Fukasawa and comes with a signature of the designer on the back panel. In terms of specs, the Realme X2 Pro Master Edition packs about 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. It costs about 3,299 RMB in China, while here in India it'll be going on sale around Christmas for about Rs 34,999. But the design is really the big deal here because apart from that, it's pretty much exactly the same as the regular version. There's the same 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a water drop notch and a 90Hz refresh rate. And of course, it's a 91.7% screen to body ratio with an in-display fingerprint scanner that works really fast. Powering all of this is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus chipset clocked at 2.96 GHz with an Adreno 640 GPU. There's also a vapor chamber liquid cooling, a superconducting carbon fiber multi-layer scheme, multi-layer graphite sheet, and other heat dissipating materials involved. Coming to the camera, there's a quad camera setup with a Samsung GW1 64-megapixel sensor with a f1.8 aperture lens. There's also a 13-megapixel telephoto lens with up to 20x hybrid zoom. There's an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with a 115-degree field of view, and also a 2-megapixel depth sensor as well. All that, and there's also a 16-megapixel front-facing selfie camera as well. And if all of that wasn't enough, there's also stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos and a massive 4000 mAh battery with super quick 50-watt super walk flash charging technology, which can fully charge the phone from 0 to full in just about 35 minutes. Alright guys, that was a quick look at the Realme X2 Pro Master Edition in its concrete or cement version. I want to know, what do you guys think about this version? Should phone companies be making more of these special edition gorgeous looking phones? Or do you guys just not care because you're going to put a case on it anyway? Let me know what you think. As always, if you have any questions about this, you can let me know right in the comment section below. Or you can ask me right over on Instagram or Twitter at ClintonJeff. And hey, if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button right below or maybe subscribe because that would be appreciated. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.